There are so many advantages to being an honors student. One of the biggest advantages I would have to say is the research opportunities that we get on campus. A lot of it, we can work one-on-one with the professor, so we get very individualized attention. My name's Eric Milani. I'm a biology major here at Marymount University, and my area of interest within the honors program is 3D printed prosthetics.
My name is Barbara Wallace, and I study psychology and biology, and my area of interest in the honors program is depressive disorders in children.
My name is Charlotte Lynn Hepler. I'm a nursing student here at Marymount, and I'm interested in biomedical research. My honors thesis project, I am doing a series of stress management workshops for students designed to see if we introduce them to positive coping strategies, it'll reduce their long-term stress levels.
My name is Rebecca Lake. I am a graphic design major. I am the art director for the Blue Ink and one of the staff designers for the banner of the student newspaper. For my honors thesis, I will be writing and producing a documentary about the Religious of the Sacred Heart of Mary, which is the religious community of sisters that founded Marymount University.
My name is Faisal Semi. I'm captain of the women's volleyball team, a statistics tutor, and I'm a member of the campus ministry leadership team. And I'm a math and theology double major with an education minor. My honors thesis is a test of whether the students taking the introductory theology class change their beliefs from the beginning of the semester to the end of the semester.
There are so many benefits for students participating in the honors program. Honors students get your scholarship. They have access to an exclusive honors student lounge where they get free printing. They get to be a part of an intellectual community comprised of their peers and faculty mentors. Honors students also get funding to present their research at conferences, regionally and nationally. And the hallmark of our program is a series of tutorials.
In a tutorial course, you work one-on-one with the professor to do your own research to questions that you have about things in the real world.
I did a tutorial with Dr. Doyle. We worked one-on-one together to learn about justice and how we recognize that God is good and God is powerful, but evil still exists in the world. I really got a lot out of it because it helped me discover my passion for theology. It gave me an opportunity to dive really deep into something I was super interested about.
There are lots of opportunities for honors students to interact with each other, both on and off campus. For the past few years, honors students have helped me organize lectures and panels on topics that they're interested in. Well, last year, the students organized a faculty panel on the Me Too movement.
One of the events I attended was the premiere screening of the movie Eating Animals. We had an opportunity to participate in the panel discussion with the director and specialist in the field of animal research.
As a freshman, my first honors course with Dr. LaPresi Goodman, we went to Beltsville, Maryland to pick fresh fruits and vegetables for an organization called Bread for the City. And that organization provides these fresh fruits and vegetables to low-income members of the greater Washington, D.C. area. And we also presented at a food ethics panel about our work there.
The biggest advantage of being an honor student at Marymount University is being a part of an intellectual community comprised of your peers and faculty mentors.
Within the honors program, all of us have a common goal of doing well and maximizing our education while we're here. And we also have lots of fun get-togethers within the honors program.
All of us students in the honors program are motivated to conduct discussions and lead our own research in classes. And oftentimes the discussions go beyond our classroom, and we often meet in the honors lounge to discuss our ideas further.
What I like about the honors program here at Marymount University is the ability to be with other like-minded students who are in different majors throughout the entire university. We get to collaborate with one another, share experiences, support one another through our research endeavors, which is really wonderful.
Because I'm the honors program director, I do many of the admissions interviews, and I think for me, one of the biggest benefits is watching students from the time they interview and they might be nervous through the time they walk across the stage and they get their honors medallion to just see how much they've grown academically and personally.
After I graduate, I want to go to graduate school and get my PhD in math. And the honors program is definitely helping me with that, not only by giving me a boost on my resume, but helping me to develop the skills necessary for the research I'm going to be doing.